So now I want to solder this piece of pipe here, but I've got water inside it still. So I've drained down the system, but there's no way of me getting this water out. So what I'm going to use is my wet and dry vac to suck the water out. And as you can see, the water is being sucked out of the pipe there. Now it is important that we remove all the water from the pipe, because if we don't, what you will find is that the solder won't actually flow around the copper when you're soldering it together. The reason being is because the water will constantly be cooling down the copper, so it won't reach the temperature to melt the solder. So now I want to remove the paint from the pipe, and one of the easiest ways of doing this is to just simply burn it away with the blowtorch. So put the flame on it until it starts to burn and turn black, and then once that's cooled down a bit, I use this sanding mesh, and this is excellent for removing paint off copper pipes. So once I've done this, I will still go over it with the wire wool afterwards, as the wire wool is more fine, and it will polish it up nicely for when we add the flux to it. So making sure that I'm getting the mesh all the way around the pipe, removing all the paint from it.